Hello, counselor friends. This is Donna. I thought I would just send you this little video so that I can show you how you can change schedules in MercyLink. Just so you know, right now, Caitlin and I are very close to done with middle school, and we plan to be done with high school in just a few minutes. We will be releasing schedules to teachers by the end of the day today, Friday. We will not open this up to students until Monday at the very earliest. We have some things to iron out. So to begin, make sure you are in academics and then go to scheduling, requests, and schedules. That will bring you to this page. This is where most of the scheduling work happens. Make sure at the top that you are at the right grade level. So I'm going to be on middle school. And pick the term that you want to look at. You can select all terms or whatever term you want to look at. It really doesn't matter. Right now, like I said, middle school is very close to done, so I'm going to show you how you can look at a schedule and make changes. If you go to student enrollment, you will get a list of all your students. I don't think you can see it here, but next to the student name, there's a little pencil and it says edit. So if you click that little pencil, you will come up with Catherine's schedule. Notice that there's this thing called View Legend. There's all kinds of little symbols on this page, and if you view legends, that will tell you what all of those little symbols mean. So a solid red dot means that the section is full, and green means it's enrolled, and so you get the picture. So for Catherine, you'll notice she is in Algebra 1-8 Honors. So all the course requests are on here, everything that she has requested. And then this next page is the section number and the block name. That shows up in green here. So you can see she's in section number 1, period 2. This number underneath tells you how many students are in that section. So if you're trying to add a student to a section, you'll want to take a look there and see how many students are already in there. Also notice if you keep going down, you'll see down here, although it's not green, it shows that there's another section of Algebra 1-8, period 9, and that section has 20 students in it. If you want to change the section or the block number, all you have to do is use the drop-down menu. It'll tell you what your choices are, and then you can make the change right there. If you want to delete, let's say Catherine decides she doesn't want to take Algebra Honors, she wants to take Math 8, then you hit these three little dots right here, and you can delete that course. And then down at the bottom, you will be able to see where you could add a different class. So you can delete them up here, and then you can add down here. If you scroll down more, you will see Catherine's schedule, all 4 quarters. So it's actually pretty easy. I think it's pretty user-friendly. We're going to be opening up schedules, like I said, on Monday at the earliest. And so if you start to see things and you need to make changes into schedules, this is how you do it. So we're not using the course request anymore. We're using this view instead. Make sure that you hit save. Do not use save and next or save and close. What we found is it does not save. So save yourself some time and just use the save button. Then you can close. Other things that you might want to look at here, if you just want to know something about the classes that are offered during the first quarter, you can take a look at that. It will tell you what classes are offered, in what room they are, who's teaching them. So this is the place to kind of play around a little bit. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. I just wanted to give you a little heads up, and I figured a video might be easier. And so I'm not going to win any Oscars for this, but hopefully it's helpful to you. All right, take care.